Hey guys, I have some data in sheet 3 and some data in sheet 2. I want to see how many telecallers in sheet 2 of column A are in sheet 3 of column A. So go to sheet 2 back. I want to match telecaller in sheet 2. Select the respective cell, enter equal to, enter MAT, click on MATCH function, select the cell, comma, go to sheet 3, select the entire column of telecallers, comma, and you see after comma there are three options: less than, exact match, greater than. I want to match exact, so I'm entering 0. See, for exact you should enter 0, 0, complete bracket, and simply enter. And now drag this cell downward so you can have a match for other telecallers too. So here you see the error is popping up. So this means Rakhi is not in sheet 3 of column A and others cell contains some number, means they are in sheet 3 of column A. Let's check Lisa if it is in sheet 3 or not. Of course she is in sheet 3. Let's check Rahul if he is in sheet 3 of column A or not. Okay, Rahul is also in column A of sheet 3. Now let's check Rakhi if she is in column A of sheet 3 or not. So, Latife, Arnold, Rohan, Rahul, Patrick, Ashwini, Neeraj, Praveen, Raju, Christian. Okay, Rakhi is not in sheet 3 of column A. So is correct. Now if you want to filter out, click on any one of the cell of top row, go to data, filter. I want to see, I want to filter out the telecallers who is not in sheet 3. So deselect all and just select this one and click on OK. And I have data of telecaller who are not in sheet 3. In this way, you can match data from various Excel sheets or same Excel sheet. Thank you.